Hey guys, it's Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a one dish bean dip. I'm using a clay bean pot, and in a bowl I got a can of pinto beans. They're already mushed up, so you don't have to do the hard work. And because it's tasteless, I will add half a bag of the taco seasoning you can get at any supermarket. And just mix it all together and add some salt if you need it, because sometimes they're not salty enough. So we're gonna get the dish, and I'm just gonna layer it on the bottom. First adding the beans. Oops. This pot is pretty small, so it's perfect for one person. You can share, but I prefer my own and I don't like to share. And then you're gonna put a layer of salsa. You can use homemade salsa, but to make this easy and super quick, I'm using a store-bought fresh salsa. I don't want to put too much in it so it doesn't fall out when it's cooking. And this top with cheese, I'm using the half jack, half cheddar cheese. You can use the Mexican mix. Bake in the oven at 375 for 20-30 minutes. Just keep a look at the top to make sure the cheese doesn't burn. When the cheese is golden brown, that's when you know it's ready. Because the beans, it's already cooked. It just needs to heat up in the oven. Top with sour cream, fresh cilantro, and some jalapeños. This meal is ready in less than an hour. Super quick, super cheap, and super easy. I hope you enjoy this. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Bon appetit!